So employee apps, very new to us, but we've had some great success in this month since we've brought it on. It was a piece of the puzzle that we have a few drivers that are moving equipment all the time, so that field log is a lot more than we needed for them. Having it on the phone where they can just pop it up, the same device that they're using to run their mapping and everything that they do, and their trip data and everything. It's a real simple, easy to use platform. We were able to set up, I think we've got 5 or 6 custom fields set up for them to capture all the individual data points that we need to capture for each of their trips. And it's real quick and smooth. We had nothing but great feedback from the drivers. The same PMs running the jobs can now quickly see, okay, that piece was moved onto my site last Wednesday. So it's all in one place. We don't have to have a separate payroll process. We don't have to have a separate process for checking how we're coming along with our moves and everything as well.